Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the support, and also we have the deck created as well and the swimming pool. Now we're gonna continue working on this, and what I want to do is to create the stairway here. So now let's go to ground, and I'm gonna use model in place to create the stairs because I could add some lighting on it, so and it's gonna be easier for me to to adjust it later on. So press OK, and then after that I'm gonna create an extrusion, add it right here, and then click finish. We can select a material. This will be another concrete material, so I'm gonna choose a concrete that we haven't used yet. So I'm just gonna click on that one, apply, and then OK, and then let's look at it at 3D to see or to gauge what we're working on. So around 200 it's too much, so I'm gonna make it 180 at least. For the steps, I think 180, because we have 600, so maybe let's do 150 instead, so that we could have 4 of them. So I think that's good. I'm gonna add a lighting here, so I'm gonna create a void. So in order to do that, we can create this void sweep, and then we're gonna go around. So I'm gonna pick the path. I'm gonna select this path right here, around here, and then click finish, and then go select this again, edit profile, and then we're gonna click rectangle, and I'm gonna put it somewhere, maybe that's 30 from the top, and then 10, so we can create this one now. So now that's created, we could click finish, and then let's go to click finish again, and then cut geometry. And as you can see, we have that notch there that we could use to add lighting. In order for us to do that, don't click finish yet, because we can create or add a paint. We're going to add luminaire, so that material is not yet added here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an extrusion first, just to add an extrusion first just to add that. I don't want to create it anymore. So that, and then we're going to put luminaire, pull it up, apply, and then OK. So now that's the luminaire material there. We can then go and click paint, and then let's select luminaire as well. There we go, glass luminaire, and then we could select this one right there. So we don't need to create another sweep just to create this. By using paint, it will represent that part. And then after you finish, click done, and then you can delete this now because we already pull up the materials and we're good with that. I'm going to copy this. So I'm gonna copy CO and then put it on the side, and then select this, and we're going to pick new so that we could just change this. I want to be at least 200 from here so that it's going to be consistent in terms of distancing. And I'm just going to try and replicate that, copy again, and then pick new, and then just place it on top of here, and then just fix it again, give it some spacing, and then we need to create those extrusion again like we did on the base, and then copy it again, and then pick new on top of this plane, and then we could just clean it up. And then go to 3D, and we just need to replicate this sweep right here. But as you can see, it looks nice. We have this grand staircase like this on the main door. Going to the main door, I'm probably going to have connect this one to a hill, so I'm planning to have the hill covering some of this going up to showcase that this was excavated, and then all the way up right here, and then we'll have the road somewhere here as well. So I think that's good enough to showcase that. We could add a bit more curve here, but let's finish this off first so that we have our design here. We'll edit the extrusion again. It's already edited. We haven't closed it, so it's easier for us to select void sweep again, pick path. I'm gonna select this path again, and then trim and extend so that it goes there. After that, click finish, select this one again, edit profile, and then we have 10 by 10, 30 on top. So here we could set the height here. I'm going to set 30 from the top, move it here, and then set 10. We need to select this so that this will be the one that moves. So whichever you select is the one that will move. So that's why I have to reselect this one so that this one moves, not this part. So click finish, and then I'm gonna click finish first, and then just cut geometry so that you can see it. But let's add the materials later on. We need to just void it for now so that it's easier for everyone, and you get the use of it. You get use of doing those selections and creating those. So click finish, select here, edit profile, we can do this again, 30 from top to be consistent, and then 10 right here, 10 right here. Delete this, click finish, and then finish again, and then cut geometry. And then lastly, the one at the top, pick path, click finish, click here again, edit profile, 30, and then rectangle or square. Make sure it's 10 only, and then 10 right here, and then click finish, finish, cut geometry, and then we could go back to, or actually we're already here, select this, and then luminaire is already selected. We just need to make sure we're selecting the one at the back, not the other way around. You can click tab in order to see which one you're selecting. There we go. Make use of that tab. It will make your life easy. As you can see, I'm circulating on which I want to highlight. And then once you're done, as you can see, we have everything. We can click finish now. So we have that staircase done. It's really nice because we could just go right here, and we could go on this side or this side, but either way we cannot go here because we're going to have some curve here. And then I just want to align this AL. There we go. And then make sure this one aligns as well. Want to see how this one looks. That looks really good. I like the way that shows. I'm going to add a model text so that we are good already. Pick a path and then just place it right here for now. So once we add this, we can then edit type, duplicate. This will be house number, and then you can change the text font and those kind of stuff. So 50, let's change something different. And as you can see, we have that one. Change the material. We could put a metal material right here. You can use this, apply, OK, and then the depth 50 as well. We could change the height to maybe 200, and then the text, let's change it to 55. Water drive. I'm going to change this one now to maybe 100. Yeah, that looks good. I could just place it right here. We could add in lighting scones here, something we can do later on to make it look nicer. And then I want to add a gate here, so let's go to south elevation, and I'm gonna select this wall, edit profile, and I'm just going to create an opening, something like that. Delete this, and then SL, delete this one as well, TR, trim and extend, and then click finish. And then we could create a model in place, and then generic model, set it, pick path, and then select this wall. We're gonna do an extrusion from here. I'm going to offset this to maybe 10 to make it nice with the gap, and then this one as well right here with the gap. There we go. And then offset this to probably 100. Not 100, that's too much. 50 only, or 25. Spacebar to change orientation. So that looks good. Click finish. Change it to a metal material again. Pull it up, or this one, and then apply. OK. Go to 3D and then extrude it to the proper location. There we go. So that is fine there, but we need to add some brace there. So I'm gonna create again. Let's select this and then create another extrusion. We should have the same materials as we have here. I'm just gonna copy that, put it there, set, pick path. I'm gonna set it right here. Select this, and then click finish. Go to 3D, pull it up to the top, align it AL, there we go, and then go back to ground. We could select this and then array, and then what we can do is add here first, so last, and then here around maybe 13, and then it will give the gap that we want. Press OK, and then let's copy this, and we could do the same thing. So array, maybe this one is 5, and then copy it on this, and then if you see 3D, it will look like that. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna click finish, and there you have it. We have the gate created on that part, and then we have the stairs, and then the model text created. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.